Okay, I expect from the last video you should have finished answering these questions. So can we go through the answers now? Thank you. So comparing active transport, osmosis, and diffusion. So does it require energy? Yes, active transport requires energy. So this energy is from the mitochondria. Osmosis requires no energy because it's a passive process. Diffusion does not require energy as well because it's like passive process as well. Does it require a membrane? Active transport occurs over a membrane and requires carrier proteins. Osmosis occurs over a partially permeable membrane, while diffusion requires no membrane. Example of active transport: glucose in small intestine and ions and root hair cells. Example of osmosis are plants drawing up water from the roots, reabsorption of water in the kidneys. We also have reabsorption of water in the large intestine. Example of diffusion: carbon dioxide diffuses into a leaf through stomata for photosynthesis. Oxygen diffuses from the alveoli to the blood. So concentration gradient. In active transport, substance move against the concentration gradient, while in osmosis, water moves down a concentration gradient. In diffusion, substance move down a concentration gradient. So how did you do? Who got everything right? Amazing. Who got some? Okay, excellent. Well done. Okay, I expect from the whole lesson so far that everyone should be able to define the term active transport, should be able to describe the similarities and differences in active transport and osmosis, should be able to explain how active transport works in both plants and animals, and some will be able to evaluate why plant and animal cells behave differently. Okay. Task to complete. You draw a diagram to explain why energy is needed in active transport. So to ensure the question is answered properly, you should label your diagram clearly to explain how active transport occurs. The keywords to use include carrier proteins, ATP, that's energy, cell membrane, mitochondria, and particles. Second question. This is a graded question or graded questions. We have grade 4, grade 7, and grade 9. You can answer the 3 of them or you can choose one depending on your ability. And the last question, exam question, said describe diffusion, osmosis, and active transport, explaining an example of where each happens. So it's 6 marks. Once you've completed all the questions, please email the questions or your answers to your teachers to get a feedback. Thank you very much for your excellent engagement and hard work always. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.